Gavana wa Tharaka Nithi Onesmus Muthomi Njuki nariungiritwe ni mwandiki munene kiri ministry ya Untuire na utalii niwe umibashir kiri mambura za kuruguria mubango jwa kumenyera Untuire. Bange bagwati mbaru kiri mubango jojo ni amwe na rwangirwa nyomocha kithaka kanjo ya mangavana National Museums of Kenya na bange kathumba. Gavana Njuki na ugite BAKAA IMWE cha barabara cha mushi jwa CHUKA MARITWA ja NCHAMBA cha MERU ja choka ura wa Wabisau ura wa ari mwambiriria uwanjuri ncheke.
Thirikari nene iwatanirite na thirikari cha makaunti na ndongi kathumba cha thirikari ichambirite mubango wa kugiga Untuire bwa migongo mwanya mwanya kiri mitambo ya kidigito kenda gukaigwa kuri na muririkana wa gintuire giku mianka ikaja. Gitumi giku arai munthi gavana wa kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi Muthomi Njuki awete ugeni mwandiki ministry ya Untuire na utalii wa thirikari nene umibashil muchi wa CHUKA kiathoni guchainanira mbitiganirie no gatigatika thirikari na akuru banjuri ncheke kenda wireno yambiria. Akiaria kiathoni giku Njuki augite ati iri njira ya kugiga Untuire thirikari yake ika barabara cha muchi wa CHUKA MARITWA ma NCHAMBA cha MERU wona MCA bakurukia watho burabo kwirigirwa kwarirwa gikaroni gikubukonie umenyeri bwa Untuire.
The precedent has been set by the national government. It is time we give a consideration to our Department of Culture and support them with the pending bills. We have the Heroes bills. We have the Heroes bill that is lying at the county assembly, and without that passing this bill, it is the reason why we have not been able to name our streets in all our towns. Because with the Heroes bill, we will be able to name our streets in the honor of our fallen heroes and also our tradition, so that we don't lose it. It is one way of ensuring that we have a culture. There should be a street in this town that is named after Kaura Veshao, who is the founder of NJUKI.
Tungelitaka ile inaitwa Gaironi uifuatilie, utujengee, maana hiyo ni cultural center inaandamana na hii culture yetu. Ya pili, utujengee cultural center 4, moja Tharaka upande inaitwa Uragate, ingine hapa Mwembe, ingine CHUKA, ingine Mudhambi.
Nkuruki Njuki na uritie akuru banjuri ncheke batige kuthungagirwa kiri migaukano ya gichecha mono kagita kaithurano binene untu burabomba gutima njuri ekaura kiutha tena erombare kaura go baisao.
Siku hizi njuri ncheke yetu ambaye mimi ni mmoja wao, ikifika wakati wa siasa, wanasiasa wanatugawanya. Tunapata kuna njuri ncheke ya Muthomi Njuki, kuna njuri ncheke ya mtu mwingine. Ukienda MERU kuna njuri ncheke ya nani na kuna njuri ncheke ya mwingine. Sisi tunaomba tafadhali, ikifika wakati ya uongozi wa njuri ncheke, let njuri ncheke be non-partisan. Njuri ncheke isitumike kwa siasa, njuri ncheke ikae kwa kuongoza kila mtu.
PS umi na peja nitewira nebo ministry yake kuwatira mubango jo mwanka ukinyanire.
I'm also aware that the following indigenous knowledge intellectual assets have been prioritized for documentation within Tharaka Nithi County. Cultural sites and shrines such as Kibuka, Igairoini, Kiria, Mau Caves, Mwarati, Wanjogu, that's what the elephant maternity ward that His Excellency was just talking about, which I would love to visit next time I am here. Traditional medicines such as the anti-venom and anti-asthma, it's called the Ntoga.
Mubango jo wambiri tikiri kaunti 13 iri o kaunti no ya Tharaka Nithi aranyumani okwirigirwo gutambua kiri kaunti ira chingi. Nkiripotera Weru TV kuma gichigo bunge ya CHUKA Egamba Ng'ombe mbita wa Samuel Gaishima.